Hey guys, I thought I'd tell you about this Megadream PS4 charger. You can actually, it's a charger stand for your controllers. You can actually put the PS4, PS4 Pro, PS4 Slim controllers. Look at it, looks awesome. Now, anybody who does gaming and all will know that it's a hassle, you know, if you run out of batteries or whatever. So you get your yeah, you don't want to be running out of batteries or have to charge it in the middle of the game. So it'd be handy to have this, you know, standing by. There's a 1 year policy. Now, this is in the UK, so just be aware of that. It might not ship to you, like I'm in New Zealand and it doesn't ship to New Zealand, so just be aware of that. So this is more for the UK people. Let's read on. Sleek and compact, the Still Charge provides an easy and quick way to charge and store your controllers, ideal for saving your place to store your controllers and the charge when you're not playing. Safe and fast charge with 2 built-in micro US adapter ports allows you to securely store and charge up to 2 PS4 controllers at the same time. One controller just needs 2.5 hours, 4 hours for 2 LED charge indicator. USB cable connects the charging the controller to blue light. Plug in the controller turns to red light. Okay, excellent chip design, protection, how to provide you with safe and durable PS4 charger is our eternal pursuit. Now, these are actually selling like hotcakes at the moment. You know, like I say, it's because you know, it's handy to have them sitting by when you need them. If you've got, say, 3 or 4 mates over or whatever. So you've got 4 controllers, you're trolling, not trolling, hopefully, but you can be charging up 2 while you're playing with 2, something like that. There you go, and look at that. So you get all that goodness there for £12, you know. So looks like a deal. All I know is that when we're forever charging our controllers, and you always need something handy. You don't need to be running down the shops and, you know, getting batteries every 5 minutes, or, you know, whatever. The wired controllers, you know, the wires get all twisted and tangled, and so, you know, this is the way to go. Cheers.